What's up, peeps? This is Todd, and welcome back to my show. So Square, the payments company that was founded by billionaires Jack Dorsey and Jim McKelvey, just invested $50 million into Bitcoin. Now, they did this to diversify their balance sheet, making them the latest large company to pour big money into the world's first cryptocurrency. Now, this investment, this $50 million, represents approximately 2.5% of the firm's cash on hand, meaning they have nearly $2 billion worth of cash. Now, this announcement had an immediate effect on the price of Bitcoin. It sent it skyrocketing back up past $11,000 per coin. Now, this all sounds very fun and exciting, but doesn't mean that Bitcoin is back. For any of you that got on that cryptocurrency craze, I was very hesitant to get in, but I was also incredibly lucky that with my personal experience with cryptocurrency, I bought in when it was pretty low, and I actually tripled my money. After that, I immediately sold everything, and then when it dipped again, I bought back in and doubled my money, and I sold once more. Since then, I have not bought any cryptocurrency. I've stayed completely out of it because it is just too volatile for my taste. But big companies like Google are doubling down on blockchain, and they want to be one of the pioneers to sort of set blockchain on the stage. Now, the thing to know before you invest in Bitcoin is this: the price of Bitcoin and the price of any cryptocurrency, whether it is Ethereum or Litecoin or Bitcoin or Tron or whatever, it is 100% speculation. So the reason for the price of Bitcoin to go up or down completely determines on what people are willing to pay for it. But it's not a tangible asset, and it's not producing any income. For example, I know that if I buy an apartment building today, it's going to produce income each and every month until the day that I sell it. I also know that that building has real value because it's an actual structure, it's real property, so if I buy an apartment building today, it will be worth more in 30 years. With Bitcoin, it doesn't actually have any real value except for the artificial value that we, the people, put on it. It would be like, imagine this pen. If all of a sudden this pen went from being worth 10 cents to being worth $11,000 just because everybody around me is willing to spend $11,000 for this pen. But this pen isn't a true asset. It's not producing any income. You can't consume it. You can't put it in your car to help your car move. The value of this pen is completely dependent on what other people are willing to pay. So for investors that want to get into crypto, I highly encourage you to do a lot of research. Now, one of the main ways people are making money in crypto would actually be illegal in stocks. That is because one of the main ways to make a profit in cryptocurrency is the standard pump and dump, which is basically you pump up a stock's value and then you dump it before anyone else knows what's going on, and then you get out with a profit. Because cryptocurrency hasn't been highly regulated yet, that's what people are doing. So anyone pushing cryptocurrency on you, just know this: they are hoping that you will buy cryptocurrency and that tens of thousands of other people will buy cryptocurrency, so the value of that cryptocurrency will go up. Then when that value of the cryptocurrency has been inflated, that's when that person will sell, leaving everybody else to hold the bag. So I think it's an absolutely exciting investment. I think blockchain, there's a huge future in blockchain, no matter what you think about crypto. But just make sure to be cautious, do your research, don't just look at what some guy on the internet says about it. Make sure to read and study a lot about cryptocurrency before you buy it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to make it any longer than it needs to be, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.